My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well.
Hey guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tenyang. So tomorrow we are going to Rotorua because it's my holiday and we are going on a family vacation kind of thing. So yep, and we are gonna stay there for 2 nights and we have to leave early tomorrow morning around 5. That's why I'm shooting the intro right now. As you can see, I'm just gonna carry this small suitcase.
It's the break of dawn, I'm not making sense. Talking to the
I'm done with my packing and now I'm gonna go to bed because I have to wake up early morning.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while, but those friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch.
Bye!
Freezing in Westwood, we don't give a fuck. Never a night just for the two of us. Wish for my timing, for good or bad luck. My car got locked in the parking garage. We took an Uber straight to your home. We lay together, but never too close. You know I want you, I need you the most. But we both know we gotta put it on hold. Love is
Guys, finally we are here.
This is the hotel that we're staying at.
Hello.
Welcome! Hi guys! This is the room that we're staying at. And this is the view. And this two double beds, and we have few stuff here. Oh, there's a fridge as well. And then there is a mirror here. Ta-da! Ta-da! We can 0.5 shada. And we have a bathtub here. And this is our room tour. We are all settled in right now. We are planning to go to the spa pool in this hotel, and then we're gonna go to the dinner, and yeah, that will be the plan for today. And tomorrow we are gonna go to geothermal and some other places to hang around. So for today we're just gonna relax and wind down and go to spa pool and then have a good dinner. And yep, now we are going to spa pool. Let's go.
그래서 너도 짐 한번 스쿨 좀 하네. 맞아, 해. 텐트도 되나? 강아지시 강아지. 해다 영상.
보이고구나. 아니?
그래서 강아.
여기서 해야 돼. Fit check. And this is the spa towel that we need to drop back to the reception, or else we'll be charged $20 for this. We are going to an Indian restaurant for dinner. Let's go. Butter naan, baldi, chicken baldi, butter chicken, garlic naan, sweet lassi. Good morning. Day 2. We're going to breakfast now. I just woke up and brushed my teeth. Now we're gonna go and have some breakfast. Today the weather is not so good. It's kind of I think it rained in the morning. So yeah. We are gonna go get our breakfast and then we're gonna see where we're going. Let's go. Taupo, apricot, cereal, apple juice, tomato juice too, orange juice, croissant and muffin, the toast pindu, beans, hash browns, sausage, bacon, egg, and mushroom. Beach date. We're gonna check out of this hotel and then we are going to Taupo because we are gonna do some activities there. We are done with Rotorua now, so yep, we packed our bags as well, and then now we are going to Taupo, and yep, I'll show you guys. Quick update, we are not going to the Taupo now. Before going to the Taupo, we are gonna gondola. We are going to luge and gondola for some bike riding and bike to ride car, and then we are gonna go to Taupo and yep, log book and check in to our new hotel there. But first we are going to play some activities. Yep, I just wanted to tell you guys that. See you, bye.
Life just sucks. Sometimes it's true. We love to mess around with all our plans. Fuck me. What the fuck are we to do if nothing's ever really in our hands? You got time to kill in the bedroom. I'm the voice in the phone laying by your side. Got in each one I've sold you. pretending that I'm near, but I'm not. Like why? Is everything worse when I'm so low? Why? The clouds are coming for me and I don't know why. Like really did he have to take her this time? I'm trying to be happy but it's hard cause life just sucks. Sometimes it's true. We love to mess around with all our plans. What the fuck are we do if nothing's ever really in our hands? I bet it's all a dream. 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 So watch another FaceTime movie. I'll sing another song when we both get high. Just another late night routine. I'll do whatever with you just to ease your mind. Tell me what's been weighing on you, I don't mind. I know that all you wanna do is stay inside, but look outside the window, it's the same moonlight. I see when I'm talking to you, I know life just sucks. Some
Thermal area. Danger, danger.
my friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smiles. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while, but those friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch, cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change. Yeah, those friends are growing up, and I wanna tell them the reason why I'll never get to see them, but clearly they don't need to know. Freezing in Westwood, we don't give a fuck. Never a night just for the two of us. Wish for my timing for good or bad luck. My car got locked in the parking garage. We took an Uber straight to your home. We lay together but never too close. You know I want you, I need you the most, but we both know we gotta put it on hold. Love is an easy thing to work.
Sweet. 숨졌어라. Thank you.
방송으로 안 해.
이걸 땡기니 미순치.
좀 지나?
To my messages, it's been 2 months.
Thank you.
I bet you wanna pick up where we left off. I guess you thought I've been waiting all this time. So you miss me, now you want me taken back into your life. Are you looking for a therapist? Are you looking for a friend? What kind of situation do you think we're in? You could have had me at 100%. I was in it. I give me everything when I'm all in. We could have been it. Just leave the past in the past, baby. It's cool, yeah, everything's forgiven. You could have had me at 100%, but you didn't. I actually laughed out loud, but what a surprise. I still remember all the ways that you let me down. Cause I don't wanna be a therapist, I don't wanna be a friend. What kind of situation do you think we're in? Could've had me at 100%. I was in it. I give my everything when I'm all in. We could've been
10. I ain't never been too good at relationships. You want rocks on your hand, I put a rock on my neck. I should've been chasing you, but I was chasing a check. You never know what you have till you're too far gone. It's a nice little hole that I dug on my own. Saw you in the gram, you was in your zone. You're doing real well without me. I read you loud and clear. You're better over there. Better over there. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm lonely over here. That's music to your ears.
I can tell that none of this is worth it. I'm an all in or nothing kind of person. You're the type that's always uncertain. I'll find somebody more deserving.
What's up?
It started raining.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while.
Boys, we are finally in the hotel. No, we finally reached at the hotel and look at the view. This is our room. Ta-da! There is a double bed here and then a single bed there. This is the bathroom and the toilet. It's clean and nice. And then we have few sample size stuff here. And here, I guess. Hello guys, it's been a minute since the last time I vlogged. So we are going to golf now. After golfing we are going to hot pool. So yep, fit check. I'm just wearing basic denim shorts and white top, and then I think I'm gonna put a sweatshirt over this. And yep. Mine is white, actually pink, abu, purple.
Check. Chapel do here.
Actually, go. Ooh. Nice. Chick.
Yeah.
We are done with the mini golfing and we are here at the hot spring. The sky is so pretty. It's 6:30 right now and it's already dark. The sky is so pretty.
normally it ends for our phones. I'm trying to see if it's still working. It keeps going through this thing where it works in and out again.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll just do 1250, sir.
Yeah, can I grab a water too?
Yes, definitely. So if you
Yeah,
guys
I'll go
need-
AirPods.
Any more items though? No.
temperature 당고지는 휴지인데 정해.
Cold.
죽었다. 징징. 어.
40 degrees there.
휴지를 조용히
33, 37, 35.
네, 좀 뜨리시.
Hi guys, day 3. We checked out from the hotel and we are leaving now. Now we are gonna go grab breakfast and then we are gonna go see a waterfall. And today we are going back to our home. But before doing that, we're gonna go grab breakfast and then we are going to a lake. Now I think we are going to a waterfall or something. So yeah, yesterday the hot spring was so good, and then there were like 4 main water levels. After that, when we came back, we were so tired, so I just went to bed and I was feeling a bit dizzy as well, baby. So yeah, now we're gonna go grab our breakfast.
One big breakfast like that.
I ordered a porridge because I'm not feeling well. Ordered a pancake and make breakfast. Oh my gosh.
Timeless shift.
Wow. Tao có chẳng đợi bây giờ. Liste ci singhi.
이제 너 좀.
어.
Garden. On the right, on the left, we have Indian garden. On the right, we have Italian garden. So which one do you want to do?
Italian, please. Indian Charbagh garden.
Dozo arigatou gozaimasu. My favorite country. Video, Once I actually wanted to promise if you guys might watch the Karate Kids, you will have no bonfire.
Watching Japanese garden. Now where are we going? Italian garden. Okay. Chinese garden. Chinese garden such 맞다, 뽐뿌 됐어. 닌자.
면허도 시기로. 우리도 사람 막생 짱. 나는 벌써.